Good morning. Today I'm like sweating. It was a busy morning. We're actually moving from Nusa Lembongan back to Bali today. We're gonna take a speedboat. But since we're packing everything already, I thought it was a great time to actually show you guys what we travel with and how we pack everything. Let's get right into it.
Yeah. Before we go into the details of our packing list, if you're new to our channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe because that'll help us so much.
So the reason why we had to get this huge bag was because of our diving fins. Look, they're half my body size, my height. So that's why we need a checking bag for these. And let me start with our underwater housing for our Olympus that goes in the checking bag. We have rain jacket and a regular jacket each. Swimsuits, have 3 dresses, 6 tops, 1 long legging, 3 shorts, 2 bras, 3. I have 10 underwear. Chris has only 7. And then moving to his stuff, he has 5 shirts, 2 long sleeves, and one of them is a rash guard, a vest which has like all these pockets in it, so when there's like a weight limit and we can't, match it, he'll stuff this vest with a whole bunch of stuff. How long did it weigh one time?
I think it was up to like 6 kilogram one. 6
kilos, so yeah. That really helped a lot.
Yeah.
2 jackets, 1 rain jacket and normal. And he has 4 shorts. And they're all actually double as regular shorts and swimming trunks, which are amazing. We've got our toiletry bag. We only use 1 for the both of us. A lot of travelers use those hanging ones, individual, but that's what we had, so that's what we're gonna use. My makeup bag. Oh, our amazing Peak Design travel cube. This is a medium size, and it literally fits all of this. Well, actually, except the underwear. Other than the underwear, it fits all of our clothes in here. It's amazing. And then we have 4 microfiber towels. They're amazing also. Sometimes homestays or Airbnbs don't give you like beach towels, so we use these instead, and they're amazing. They dry so fast. And miscellaneous, I like to have some planners for journaling, and this is all of our diving equipment as well, which all goes in the red bag. And let's get to Chris's stuff.
My stuff?
Well, things you take care of.
Oh, we forgot to show you our shoes.
Oh yeah, hiking shoes, and we have 5 pairs of socks each, which is actually way too much, I think.
Yeah, because we're always on our teba anyways.
Yeah.
So these, and then we have 1 teba each.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then 1 pair of sandals for me. And a dry bag. This is a 30-liter dry bag.
Yeah. So we have 3 backpacks. Dry bag actually goes into the Osprey. We don't travel with it. It's only for adventures to the beach or like mangrove, And here's this backpack. It's from Billabong. Honestly, this was like a very random purchase for us when we were in Waikiki. It was on sale for like $35, and it looked really good, so we bought it. It's got like this like pocket for wet stuff only. Yeah, so I'm like, oh, we can put our wet towels in here and like snorkels and stuff and dry stuff. And it's got a laptop sleeve with so much cushion too. And look how soft. It's so soft. So we're like, yeah, it's perfect, and we bought it, and it's been like maybe 3 months, and look, it's breaking down already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a great carry-on.
Yeah, we love it. Different pockets and like here, so it's easy to organize things. And this, my best friend, Tule. I don't know. Is it Tule or Tihule? I don't know.
I think it's too late.
I call it Tule because it sounds fun. Tule. And it's supposed to be a camera bag, but it's got bunch of other, like, look at this. This is like my favorite part about this backpack, because like we move around a lot, and then like even on our adventure day we don't really stay in one place all day because we like to hit different spots, and we're always on the move. And then honestly it's pretty hassle to like put your camera in and out, in and out, in and out, like all this stuff like in and out. So when you get lazy, you just open this up and just throw it in there, just go. And also on our moving days, like today, this thing will pack a lot of stuff in. So yeah, this is really awesome. It's got this cube. This thing actually pops out, so we can actually take this out and throw it in the dry bag, like if we're going to some place where you might get wet. Okay, enough about the backpack. So these are a bunch of miscellaneous, our utensils. Surprisingly, we haven't had to use these in Indonesia, because everybody uses like reusable, like, you know, like
Bamboo straw.
bamboo straws and silicone, metal, you know, everything is reusable. They even have bowl on a food truck on the street. And yeah, we have a lot of fun with this. Our sunglasses, some emergency medicine. We're running dangerously low
Dangerously.
on a lot of stuff. We don't have NyQuil anymore or Alka-Seltzer. So yeah, I don't know where to get those stuff in Indonesia. Kindle. I don't read, but Brenda does. And these are our life straw and water well travel bottle.
Oh, I forgot to mention
Our mask. These are our own gear when we go to scuba diving. But even having your own mask goes a long way. It's really important.
Oh yeah, my shawl.
Shawl, we love it. This like kept us alive in one airplane where they didn't give us a blanket.
And it was freezing.
Yeah, it kept us really warm. Like, it's so thin, like it's so transparent, but it kept us warm.
Yeah, and you should always travel with some kind of scarf or sarong, shawl. It's like a multi-purpose item. You know, you can roll it up, use it as a pillow or like a blanket, like we did. So, always carry that.
This one is, you know, the carry-on weight checking thingy. Different airline has different weight limit, like on check-in bag and carry-ons. So our packing has to change time to time. And in order to make sure we are safe, this is what we use. And this, Apex. This is the thing that keeps the fire inside if your battery explodes. Like
yeah, we keep all of our big batteries, lithium batteries in here.
Yeah. And this is our Insta360. Sometimes we get a really cool like fake drone looking shot and stuff with this. And this one is a little pouch where we keep all the little things that came with GoPro and Insta360, like selfie stick and like, super suit and like our red filters and floaties. All of that stuff is in here. And then these are our hard drive, and this is our external battery, portable battery charger, power bank. And our noise cancelling headphones that was gifted to us by Diana. We're using it so well, thank you so much. And our Canon 5D Mark IV. We only have one lens, 24 to 70, so I carry this together. This is a wide angle, 9 to 18. We bought this to shoot like whales and dolphins on the water, but we also use it outside. And we have a GoPro, which is being used right now. And our back smart. So all these electronic gears, they all have batteries. They all come with a different charger in a different size, different port. It's really annoying having to carry all of them, and we can keep all of them in here together. So this section has like Canon or Olympus, GoPro. On the other side, ta-da! All the cables and some SD cards. More cables. Yeah, so this is really good. We love it. And our drone. Last but not least,
Oh yeah.
our converter, power converter. So this thing, you know, we're in a different country. So over here they use this one. And our laptops. That's for Brenda and that's for me. Let's do
Alright,
it.
let's do it.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed.
Our packing system. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And yeah, like he said, I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of what we do behind the scenes. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications and the like button. And yeah, here is our Instagram for daily stories and photos.
Thank you guys.
We'll see you guys next time.